My name is Kathy, and I grew up in South Africa, coming to this country a long time ago. And I've developed a philosophy in my life and in my teaching, which is about living a mindful life through creativity, or creativity as being a path to mindfulness. So my own practice of many years of yoga and meditation has allowed me to look at creativity not as a product, but as a process of cultivating self-awareness and the willingness to be vulnerable, and also exploring an innate new language, which for everyone, I believe, has a creative instinct from the earliest cave times. So what I try to do in my teaching is I don't leave you hanging without guidance, because I think that's really important, but I help you to develop creative self-confidence by combining mindful, process-oriented art making with the understanding of mixed media techniques and practices that I have developed as an artist and as a fine art student over many, many years. So I have a unique combination of combining mindfulness-based art expression with the knowledge of mixed media techniques and the elements of art. And I think this works really well for students wishing to embark on this journey and don't want to be left just being pushed out of the nest and say, okay, here's paint, draw, paint, do whatever you want. I actually do a lot of nurturing and guidance and support and encouragement for you to find your own inner creative voice.